DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
First person I kick off is the artist here. We not sure what happened to the artist here. You see me? The artist here, we have a shit more than a buzz. The artist here, they have a wave on the bus. You see me? Yeah man, Jambisco, what you say? 2 hour live? Yeah man, 2 hour live, 3 hour live. We probably haven't do a 4 hour, go straight to next morning. You see me? As long as I'm there, a vibe with it done, the live I go continue. As long as I'm there, a vibe with it done, the live I go continue. As long as you don't drop on a request. You see me? Yeah man, and a suggestion. Yeah man, we keep the vibes going man. I want to you, Jimbo, big up yourself. You see me? I say, yeah man, welcome to your live. You see me? But yeah man, like me say, we not will be vibing much too longer. First artist we are kick off with. The artist I should have been, when I say the artists when them a bus, they have a vibe, crazy run, they have a crazy wave. You see me, they got into a little clash with the next artist. You see me, and the clash that go on good, you know. The clash that go on good. The only thing man they never deal with the clash right, as in them drop a clash too early. You see me, them drop a clash too early, and then man they like a play or anything. The clash they could have set. The clash they was supposed to set or break. Both of them artists, you see me? And because of how them do it, kind of like them breaking, but the artists can make a comeback. You see me? If you don't know me, I talk to you, we got 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�, one of them easy mats. I mean, I like when 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� that boss have a crazy vibe and a crazy boss. You see me? 5 hours in here, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. You see me? Yeah, man, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� have a crazy vibe, crazy boss. They got a crazy creativity, the voice and everything. You see me? But there, back with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�, we check it out. So we dog leave one of them easy mats. So if you bring back a vibe, see if you dog make a comeback or what go on. So hit the like and subscribe button. Hope you all like the merch, gang. Don't know, I turn up the branding on the channel. You see me? Yeah man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� easy mats, let's get it. First song for kick off in night. You don't know, a long night reactions, you know. You see me? We now do no short live, you know. So don't get active in the comment section, gang. You see me? Let's get it. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� easy mats. Let's get it.
Times 32. Boy, they easy mats. Easy mats. The love you got to round and axe. Yo, tell him say 1 times 32, you know. Yo, retrieve.
Them say now easy mats, brother. Easy problem to solve. That's what I say?
One in the head, 32 in my belly. We go step by the guy, say the money choose Zelly. Killer them love break, need no penny. We go bust a pussy head as him a link Miss Jenny. One phone call and the car them ready. Monks have a big rifle, me ask him fi let me. 1 mount a shell now fi ask if we spend it. Cut out boy belly call that vasectomy. Them can't chat to it.
Lad, 1 month ask if we spending. Cut out boy belly like a vasectomy to blood. Jesus Christ. Make you have a shit to bag dog. Jeez and peace. And I say so, you know. I did not say that. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� said that. You see me I say,
Cut the 9X and go shot a pussy. From me and touch a grip another dopey lift. Move off a G for the muffler spit. Light up a spliff and go celebrate it. Go pour them tougher than the witchcraft. When we talk some pussy have keep calm. When the bull pop sound that a big dog. Sick in our head like Muslim Islam. Easy.
When the bull pop sound a big dog. I feel like I know puppy badness when the bull pop. Hey, come in you.
The match that a 1 times 32. Put everything in the clip and it a go for you. Dog them out and mad and I get the food. Full up of metal and teeth and dirty.
Big up Bob in the one Bob in the thing that Bob the best. Big up yourself, me G. Everybody drop a like in the comment section. You see?
Man them say a stuff it true. We make it rain fall out like it no fit you. Easy match yo 1 times 32. 1 times 32. Pandivly yo me a pen to pen. Pussy life guns I create man love. Chop a piece of money buy PL and gun. Guyana me get a gold chain long down.
Yo, if you're second the dog sound like Charlie Blocks a while ago, don't it? Eh? Say a lie.
Match yo 1 times 32. 1 times 32. Pandivly yo me a pen to pen. Pussy life guns I create man love. Chop a piece of money.
Me a pen don't play me a pen and don't play a pen no. Tune man. Don't mean 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎� talk to them.
Guyana me get a gold chain long down. Bad life, rich life, I will now go retire. Bust a buckle, then I head pan the date of the flyer. Then I ready for the heat, not the jaya. Say a 1, 2, 3, head a flyer. Easy match that a 1 times 32. Put everything in the clip and it a go for you. Dog them out and mad and I get the food.
Easy match that a 1 times 32. Put everything in the clip and it a go for you, boy. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Spain town man them say true. We make it rain fall hard like enough is true. Easy maths, yo, 1 times 32. 1 in the head, 32 in my belly. We go step at the guys, say the money choose Zelly. Kill of them love break, need no penny. We go bust a pussy head as him a link Miss Jenny. 1 phone call and the car them ready. Monks have a big rifle, me ask him feel any. 1 mount a shell.
1 phone call, man. You see me? And car pull up a foot, man. Boy, did I roll like dog, man. Hey.
If he ask if we spend it, cut out boy belly card that vasectomy. Then can't chat to it. Check out the 9 next and go shut up pussy. From me and touch grip another top.
You gotta do some better effects for the gun them, but blood clot and then a bust it for the hey.
The monks have a big rifle, me ask him feel any. 1 mount a shell now if he ask if we spend it. Cut out boy belly card that vasectomy. Then can't chat to it. Check out the 9 next and go shut up pussy. From me and touch grip another top. He lift them. Move off a G fear the muffler speed.
Insult to injury. Boy drop a ground and still kick him in the face, boy did that.
Light up a spliff and go celebrate it. Go pour them tougher than the witchcraft. When we talk some pussy have keep calm. When the bull bow sound that a big dog. Sick in our head like Muslim Islam. Easy maths that a 1 times 32. Put everything in a the clip and it a go for you. Dog them out and mad and I get the food. Full up of metal and teeth and dirty broom.
Easy maths that a 1 times 32, brother. You don't know 1 night 32 in the belly.
Town man them say a stuff it true. We make it rain fall hard like enough it Jew. Easy maths you a 1 times 32. Easy maths you a 1 times 32.
Easy no mama. Easy no mama. Easy no mama. Bad girl them, eh? Can't tell so I'm gonna have props too, but anyway. Easy no. 110 hick. Easy maths. That a 1 times 32, brother. Don't around. You see me? Another joke thing. Boy, your battery fly with these. You see me? Gang, we get the likes up with their vibe, man.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.